Aries Commander UCS Management. In this video we will show you how to create correct UCS for building plans, elevations and sections drawing. The main reason why we need to create different UCS is because we want our plan position to be as parallel as possible with our UCS, while drawing building plans. For elevations and sections, UCS needs to be generated parallel to walls if we want our projections to be correct. We will start with UCS for building plan drawing. First of all, we will open Undet project. After we open project, we will color our point cloud data by intensity to get better understanding of situation. As we can see, our view is not straight, so we will rotate it with view by line function from CCS and view control tab. We will find longest collinear wall and rotate our view by drawing line alongside it. Now we will define our area of interest using function clip by rectangle from clipping box tab. We need to rotate our view to be able to draw faster and more precise while using ortho mode. First UCS that we will create will be for building plan drawing. To do it, we will adjust our clipping box so it will be throughout one building level. Now let's draw rectangle to check if our rotated view is correct, and if our building walls are perpendicular. To make sure everything is good, adjust rectangle and check couple separate walls. As we can see, all walls are perpendicular, so now we know that our UCS is good. Let's save this UCS and assign name to it. To do it, you can use UCS man command from your command line. In pop-out window you will be able to manage all of your UCS. Now we will draw some internal walls with our new UCS. If our UCS is correct, we will be able to draw most of the lines using ortho mode. Let's move on and create another UCS. This time it will be for building elevation drawing. This UCS will have to be parallel to building walls if we want our projection to be correct. First of all, we will isolate our outside scan positions, since we will be working with building elevation and at this moment we are not interested in inside data. It can be done by clicking Scan Data function from Project Management tab. So once again we will rotate view by line and we will draw rectangle of our building. We will offset this rectangle so that our point cloud will be in background of our drawing. It will be our elevation projection. This step is important, because we will use this new rectangle to create our new UCS. So after we offset rectangle, let's use CCS function from CCS and view control tab. And let's specify our new UCS by selecting our X, Y and Z axis on top of rectangle that we just offset so they will match with building facade plane. Once again let's save UCS using USCMAN command. If our newly created UCS is correct, then Z-axis will be pointed at us, and all drawing will be done in X and Y plane. It is important to save every UCS that you will be using. Let's adjust our clipping box so we can see our facade that we are interested in. Now I will change density settings to high visibility, because I want to see more data and draw a rough outline of our facade element. I will draw some windows as well. As you can see, all of my drawn objects are on our newly created UCS projection and point cloud is in the background. Also be sure to create separate DWG file for each building plan and elevation. Now we will create UCS for building sections. If we are talking about section UCS, the main thing is that section line needs to be parallel to internal walls. There are two ways to create UCS for section. First one is to create UCS that is defined by line which is parallel to building walls. To do it, first you will have to rotate view by line. For this step we will use longest internal wall and draw line alongside it. Now we will use clipping box function clip by rectangle. We will clip our building and then adjust our clipping box. Then we will rotate our view so that we will see building facade, and we will use view by line function one more time. It will allow us to draw section object on correct plane. We will save this UCS and name it. Now we will adjust our clipping box so we can see our desired section. In this case, all drawn objects will be on the same projection as the line that we used to define our rotated view. Second way to create section UCS is to use clip by line function. This function will allow you automatically rotate view and create UCS by defining line. To activate this function, you will have to type letter A in your command line. Once again, we will draw line parallel to walls. And now we see that new view and new UCS was generated. As you can see, new UCS was named as Undet 1, but you can always rename it. I will draw rectangle one more time. This time rectangle will be on the same projection as our defined clipping line. It is best to save section UCS projection in the middle of section line. We could use this automatic UCS and view generating function for building elevations and floor plans as well, but our drawing projection will not be in front of point cloud. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info, subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.